Hello everybody and welcome back to the Outdoor Channel and welcome to the campsite. We are at lovely Happy Acres in southeastern Wisconsin. You can see behind me we have our new Highland Ridge travel trailer, and this particular campsite, although it has water, has electric, does not have full hookups. So if you couldn't tell, it's a little hot outside. We've had to take a couple of showers. My gray tank is starting to fill up. Hopefully we're not getting close on the black tank, but we have the new, not really new, but Camco. This is a portable waste tank. This is part of the Rhino series. We're actually going to demonstrate how this works really quick. It comes in a few different sizes. This one happens to be 21 gallons. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, we're moving back in time a little bit. This is what the kit looks like when you have it shipped to you, or if you pick it up from your local dealer, camping world, whatever that might be for you. And we're going to go ahead and take the time to open up the box, show you everything that comes with the kit. All right, this is everything that comes with the kit. It has a number of different caps and attachments, everything that you really need, including a 90-degree elbow, a hose. We'll go over this here in a little bit when we get back to the campsite. Now, don't make the mistake that I made. This is the 3-foot sewer hose or sewer extension, and it comes with the hose, a couple of caps, and a 90. You can get this separately on Amazon. It's like $20, I think, is what I paid for it. That's a mistake I made. I actually got an extra one of these now because I'm a guy and, you know, I don't always look at instructions and stuff like that. I just kind of said, oh, I should get one of these. It might be really useful when I get this tank. And, well, it has one, so I have an extra one. I will leave the link in the description if you want to have an extra one anyway. It couldn't hurt, but you could save the 20 bucks just realizing that it comes with the tank. And this is the attachment point to hook onto your ladder or possibly something else within the camper. And this is an attachment that'll hook onto this grab handle here and has a spot to hook onto a ball mount so you can tow this. Again, we'll do this back at the campsite because 21 gallons of water can be a little bit heavy, might be a little bit too hard to lift into the back of a truck. So we might be able to go through and tow this. All right, so we're back at the campsite. This mounts to the ladder. You can also mount it underneath, wherever you have a mounting surface. I'll show you that bracket again in a second. I have a couple of bungees here. Now these are just designed to just kind of keep this on the ladder. It's not supporting any of the weight. And even a shorty like me can easily take this down. You can see that support bracket right here. And let's go ahead and take this over to where the gray tank's at. There are a couple of different ways to fill this. This is both the fill and the drain. This is what we're going to be using today. But there's a couple of spots here to hook up a hose. If you have a pump, you can put that pump on here and pump out of the tank into here. You can also use it as a clean out down the road, especially if you're using your black tank. Again, we're using the gray tank today. So let's go ahead and get this all set up here. You can use your normal kind of long hose that you would use if you're at a full hookup site, or you can use a little shorty that comes with and just position this wherever the best position is for you. You can see all that water draining out. Making sure the tank is completely closed off, you're not leaking any water anywhere. We're going to go ahead and take the tow bar. We're going to go ahead and mount it like this. It's really heavy, so bear with me a second here. And we're going to go ahead and position this on the ball mount, just like that. And now we get to tow this to the dump station. There we go. That's all there is to it. Other than a little bit of weight you got to manage to give you a great tool to hook up to your ball mount. This is a great solution if you don't have full hookups. If you like this type of content, hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you next time.